Here I have LG K40 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. Before you start, you need to check your model number, so let's find the settings. Choose here General, scroll down and select About Phone. Choose Common, the third option right here, and select Hardware Info. This is your model number. You need to remember the numbers from this model, so in my case it's 420. So now you can go back to the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the first secret code. So let's use *##5463 68 #. Now you need to enter your model number 420 and pound. As you can see, this is the service menu. Let me go back to the first screen. You should see the following view, and here you can choose device test. Let's use this test, and you can select auto test, manual test. You can see the test result, you can check out the version. You can also go back right here and choose other menu, for example the service menu. Here you can check out the version, so let me use the version. As you can see here, you've got your version. You can also use the battery test. You can test your faceprint, Wi-Fi and other stuff. Let's go back. Let me quit this menu. Now it's time to open the Android testing menu, so let's use the *##4636 *##. As you can see, the testing just pops up. Here you can choose phone information, when you can read the phone number, IMEI number, current network, signal strength and other stuff. You can also use more key to select radio band, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back again. Here you can also open usage statistics and you can read the last time used and usage time of all apps from your device. Use the back key twice and it's time to open the calendar info, so let's use *##, 225 ***. As you can see, calendar info just pops up, so if you have some information in your calendar, you should see this info right here. Let's go back. Now it's time to open the other secret menu, so let's use the *##, 426 ***, and Google Play service just pops up in front of you. Use back key one more time, and at the end let me show you how to check IMEI number by using the secret code, so let's use the *##06 and IMEI number just pops up. Tab OK to close this window. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.